Hey there, if you're a social media manager or perhaps a Facebook ads manager, or maybe you're a client-based business of some sort who has been interested in adding messenger bot marketing as a service to your business, then this video is for you.
Because I often get asked the question, what should I charge for my messenger bot marketing services? In this video, I'm going to go through 3 strategies to help you decide what to charge for your messenger bot marketing services. And be sure to stick around until the end because I will give you an actual price range and some thoughts on how and where to decide what your service will fall on that price range at the end. Hi there, I'm Heather Terveen of heatherterveen.com, and I help online entrepreneurs increase their income and impact with messenger bot marketing. And if you haven't had a chance yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel where I post a new video each and every week on messenger bot marketing. Strategy number 1 to think about when charging for your messenger bot marketing services is: are they already working with you? Are they a client that is already working with you where you are providing Facebook ads, social media management, maybe some other consulting or marketing service? The reason why this question is important to start with is because if they are not already working with you, there is a cost to onboarding somebody new. And piggybacking off of number 1, which is, are they already working with you or not, so that you can determine how long it will take for you to onboard them and to actually think about that, the cost of onboarding somebody new into your business, is strategy number 2, which is the big no-no I have. Please don't do this. Please, please, please don't do this. Please, please, please. Do not charge by the hour. Do not charge by the hour. Do not charge by the hour. Okay, one more time. Don't charge by the hour. The reason why I say do not charge by the hour is because when you are first doing a new service, it is going to take you longer to do it because it's new. But as you progress in your business, you are going to get faster at that service. And not only that, you want to be able to charge for the value and the improvement that you are giving to somebody's business rather than charge by the hour. So strategy number 2 is to not charge by the hour, is to put your packages together based on the value that you are providing for them. And tip number 3 is to charge more than you think you need to charge. I know this is sort of a broad, unspecific tip, but let me tell you, as somebody who has been doing chatbot and messenger bot marketing for clients for a while now, is that there is still a lot of education that you will have to do with clients because messenger bot marketing is so new. So I really would put a buffer in for that education and the time that it's going to take you to kind of handhold them through the process of learning how they can actually use messenger bot marketing in their business in a way that's really going to have an impact. So I really, really would think about it and really think about charging more than what you initially are thinking about charging, because most likely you need to charge more than you think. And I'm only telling you this from personal experience, that it can take longer than you think to onboard somebody, to educate them on how they can best use the messenger bot for their business, no matter what it is, and to account for that, because you don't want to end up in a situation where you have undercharged for that service. All right. So 3 strategies to think about to recap are: number 1 is, are they already currently a client working with you? Number 2 is to not charge by the hour. We're not going to do that, right? And number 3 is to charge more than you think you need to charge. Okay, so now for the money moment. See what I did there? Money moment. Okay. Well, never mind. Okay, so generally what I'm seeing on the low end for people charging for initial chatbot services is on the low end is $500 all the way up to $10,000. And this is based on a couple factors. One factor is how extensive the build out is. Is there going to be coding? Is there going to be a lot of Zapier integrations? Is it going to be very programming heavy for the person who's building it out? That's one way that people are, thinking about how much to charge on that scale. Number two is how much of the actual marketing and content are you going to be helping the business owner create for their bot? That is probably the second component on what to charge on that scale. All right, there you have it. If you are interested in learning more about how to add chatbots and messenger bot marketing as a service to your business, or maybe you're a business owner looking to learn more about using messenger bot marketing in your business, be sure to snag my Ultimate Messenger Marketing Getting Started Guide. It is the definitive guide to starting and growing a wildly profitable messenger bot list. And if you're interested in joining a tribe of like-minded entrepreneurs who are learning about using messenger bot marketing in their business, be sure to join my Messenger Boss community as well. Links to the guide and to my community can be found in the description below this video. And one final thing, if you liked this video, would you do me a favor and let me know by hitting the like button below and sharing it with a business owner friend that you think could gain value from watching this video? As always, I will be back here next week with a new and fresh video for you. Thanks so much for watching.